Hey, here we are, job number 2. Pretty big driveway, huh? This won't take long. We'll get everything SH and then we'll unplug the injector and we'll get a straight 10.6 gallons a minute. Bang this puppy out fast. Hose management. I got my hose curled up here in the snake. Gonna SH everything down. This is the worst part. This is a regular customer. I haven't seen her in a couple years. Her husband had passed away. Now she's remarried and she's got this place out here. So we'll have to get some turbo nozzling done along this edge. See that? They do an excellent job here. Show you how you can get a sidewalk that's been buried in the sod a new look. Okay? Always go above and beyond to make your customers see. Look at that. That doesn't look very good. We'll go ahead and hit these things right along here too. You can put your mini Mondu up on its side and go all the way down the side and hit these blocks. All right, the mini Mondu is excellent for a lot of things. All right, let's get after it. All right, step 1 is done. That's the monster. It's going to get this thing looking spiffy. We got our ball valve hanging on the fence down there. You see how dirty that fence is? I can see from here. I cleaned that one section, front and back. The silent salesman. You'll notice that, you know, in a few days. Oh, wow, look at that. And they'll call me back. That's at least $200 with the fence on both sides. All right. And the water pressure's low. I think I'm looking at a well out there. Gonna run out there and see if the pressure's any better. If it is, gonna relocate the water source. I got plenty of hose on the reel to make it another 50 feet. All right, we'll be back. Let's get after it. Have a look at that monster, huh? We got it all the way done up to this point right here. So now the mini Mondu is right where it needs to be. We'll go ahead and bang all this out, rinse it off, then we'll hit the sidewalk all the way down, rinse that all out. That's going to need some pump up spray over there. All right, so I think we've seen enough driveway cleaning for right now. We'll go ahead and get back to see what's left over on that sidewalk, see how it's treated, and review the whole job. All the weeds are going to be gone. We are going to take the turbo nozzle down the side of the sidewalk. I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Now when you take the turbo nozzle, straighten it out as best you can. Everything came out nice all the way to the front door. The customer is very, very happy. All the weeds are out of the cracks. And this driveway looks new again. Look at that. Boom. Pre-treat, post-treat, mini Mondu, turbo tip, turbo nozzle, and you got yourself a great looking driveway. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Remember, get after it.